Alright, Yon World. Check me out. It's your boy. We back with another one, right? I just received my package from StockX. Alright, just got my package in from StockX. The Yeezy slides, man. You got the core Yeezy slides. I couldn't find these nowhere, bro. So we had to go to StockX and pay the highs. Now, y'all see it. This how the box look. Live unboxing too. This a live unboxing. I just got this. All right, I was out at the Turtle Pie Grand opening in Detroit, and I got a text message saying that my slides have arrived. So, you know what I'm saying? I still stay in Detroit. So I gotta, you know what I'm talking about? I gotta be on it. But yeah. So we got the slides right here. We about to open these up. See what they talking about. Make sure it ain't got no personal information on here. And it do.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
See how much I paid for these fucking slides, bro. I paid the highs for these slides, man.
She belongs to the street.
But, you know, shout out to everybody who support my YouTube channel, my business, that allow me to, you know, do this, right? So, yeah, little StockX. Got this from StockX, verified authentics. The Yeezy core slides. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ooh. Ooh, this like the perfect brown.
Niggas want to talk about Kanye.
Y'all see how the inside.
I'm that nigga. Kanye. I'm the nigga.
Yeezy. Y'all see that Yeezy in there? Y'all see that Yeezy in there? Yeah. Yeezy sides. Yeezy slides in the core colorway, verified authentic. Ooh, man. Alright. I thought these were two different colors at first. These look like two different colors on camera. Sure. See the Adidas logo. I don't think they really got any other Yeezy branding other than the insides. Yeezy, made in China. But yeah, man. So y'all see I got on the ones right now. Gonna kick them to the side, and it's a Yeezy summer now. Oh shit, my feet. Ooh shit, I can fit these bitches. Oh man. I thought my feet was too big for these for 2 seconds. Ooh. Ooh, we in the game. Ooh. They got a little curve right here. Make it really feel like a shoe. Yeah. Y'all see me out here with the Yeezy slides, man. Hold on. Y'all see your boy, man. You know, Cartier, capital, Detroit, Michigan. Right? You see it. So I'm about to, you know, I'm walking everywhere. I'm going. And these motherfuckers comfortable, bro. These motherfuckers comfortable for real. Like, don't talk about it. Hey. Yeah, man. Little ass kid. But no, got my Yeezy slides. Now I can be at the grocery store. You know what I'm saying? On my bullshit, man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hit my little one too on a bitch. You know? Woo! Yeah, we got the real ones. We ain't playing with y'all niggas. We is not playing with y'all niggas. Shout out to Yeezy. You know what I'm saying? We both from the same planet, nigga. They don't understand you, but I understand you. You know? Shout out to Yeezy. You know, this just what we doing, man. It's just what we doing, but yeah. These my Yeezy slides. Y'all see it. I ain't wearing the ones no more. I'm all Yeezy slide. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.
Slide, bitch.